In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 budget drones available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best budget drones. The 5th product on our list is the HASAKEE Q9s drone. This device is embedded with neon LEDs throughout its entire frame. There are 3 different light settings that give it a unique glow in the night sky to attract everyone's attention. The drone also has lights to tell you which direction you are pointing. 2 blue lights are on the front of the drone and 2 green on the rear. Though the range of the drone is limited to a maximum of 196 feet, it can provide lots of entertainment during the day or night. It has 4 propelling blades to give it balance and has protection rims to avoid injuries, so your kids will keep their hands and fingers safe from accidents. It can also withstand multiple crashes due to its sturdy design. We like that the HASAKEE Q9s is extremely user-friendly, with a convenient and easy-to-use controller for doing tricks, such as flips and dives, and even has an automatic hover mode. You can also press one button to make the drone return to its original takeoff point if the battery is running low or you lose track of it. Moreover, the HASAKEE has 3 different speeds of your choice and a backup battery, so there is no need to stop the fun too soon. We think both kids and adults will enjoy flying the HASAKEE Q9s drone, with each battery lasting over 7 minutes even at full speed. Its pros are: it has LEDs for flying at night, it is durable and safe for kids, and it is user-friendly for beginners. However, the range of connection is limited. The HASAKEE Q9s drone is a cheap all-rounder drone for a fun time. Up next in 4th place is the SANROCK H859 drone. This is a controller-friendly drone for beginners and pros. It has a headless mode and has 3 different speeds for flight. It also has attachable guards to protect from injuries and an emergency stop button if something happens suddenly. The protective propeller guards not only keep your fingers and hands safe, but also keeps the drone from bumping into anything. We think it's great for beginners to learn how to fly without damaging anything. What's more, the SANROCK H859 is a foldable drone equipped with a 1080p HD camera and a backup battery. Each lithium-ion battery has a flight time of 8 minutes, but the charge time takes over 120 minutes, making the SANROCK H859 unsuitable for prolonged flights. Even so, with Wi-Fi built in, it can provide real-time first-person view while flying and automatically saves videos and pictures to your phone. It is equipped with a voice command and even responds to your hand motions for the perfect pictures. You can even set it to take pictures automatically for more immersive photos. When low on battery, the drone will flash its LED lights to warn you. We also like that it has a return home button, so there are no worries about losing it. Lastly, connecting to their app through your phone provides you with all its functions and unique features. The live video range is 96 feet, and it has a maximum flight range of 200 feet. Its pros are: it's great for capturing videos on the road, it has a built-in Wi-Fi connection and voice command, and it folds up neatly. However, it's possible for overheating to occur in the controller. The SANROCK H859 drone is great for traveling, and it's compact and easy to use. Still haven't found a budget drone that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the SANROCK U52 drone. This drone is equipped with a 1080p camera and a 90-degree adjustable angle, while the pictures and videos are automatically saved on a micro SD card, which can be directly connected to your phone or tablet for quick uploads to social media. We like that the drone can perform 360-degree flips or rolls for even more fun. The SANROCK U52 has an automatic hover mode for great high-altitude aerial shots. Motion control will also provide the user with more controlled pictures. Another unique feature is a custom route can also be controlled on your phone if you wish for a direct path for your drone to fly. If the battery is low or you are getting too far away, no worries. The SANROCK will alert you, then simply hit the home button. Only 1 battery comes with the drone, but more can be purchased if you wish to have that extra time for videos and pictures on the road. Each battery lasts roughly 13 minutes, but requires 200 minutes to charge. The live video transmission range is 96 feet. However, the maximum flight range is much better at 328 feet. Both beginners and professionals will find the SANROCK U52 easy to control. With the option of 2 speeds and attachable guards, the SANROCK U52 is even safer for adults and children to use. Its pros are: it is lightweight and compact for travel, it has a decent connection range, and it is easy to use. However, it only has 720p video resolution. The SANROCK U52 drone is user-friendly and great for having a good time making cool videos with friends and family. The second product on our list is the Holystone HS-110D drone. This unit is perfect for those that want the best quality in their videos and aerial photos. The video resolution is full high-definition 1080p, which you can view live from a first-person view. The app allows you to quickly upload videos or pictures to social media without hassle. With mobile control, you can access hover mode, allowing clear and focused pictures from high or low altitudes. With headless mode, you can relax as you enjoy the view from your phone, directly linked to your drone. Gesture control, voice control, flight control, and gravity sensors can all be accessed through the app for quick and easy control of the Holystone HS-110D. We think this device is a great way to get beautiful and clear pictures to fill your phone with memories. With the addition of landing gear, the Holystone is also less likely to take damage from falls or hard landings. Lastly, it is lightweight and extremely fun to fly and do tricks with. Its pros are: it has long-lasting flight times, it utilizes a high-quality camera, and it comes with many advanced features. However, the blade protection guard provides little safety from injuries. The Holystone HS-110D is a tremendous amount of fun to use and an excellent way to take a ton of high-quality pictures. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top budget drone is the DEERC drone. If you've been looking for a more comprehensive device, look no further than the DEERC. This drone has many advanced functions such as hover mode, headless mode, speed adjustments, and simple controls for easy use. It has a built-in 1920 by 1080p HD camera and can be run from a real-time point of view. With a built-in Wi-Fi connection, your phone can control many of the features even when you can't see the drone. We also like that the waypoint function provides the user with a beautiful view over a 262-foot range. Its portable design allows the DEERC to be folded and easily stowed in small spaces for quick and convenient travel. The DEERC comes with a tight case that can hold everything you need in one small package. Moreover, with a minimum of 24 minutes of flight, the DEERC can fly over cities and take beautiful pictures or videos over long periods of time. Its flight patterns can also be remotely controlled by motion and voice commands. We found that the headless mode is a great way to get the most out of the range of the DEERC. When your battery runs low, the DEERC will alert you and remind you to fly back. Finally, all of this can be done from your real-time point of view feature, which provides even more immersion. Its pros are: it has a long battery life. There are many advanced functions. It is compact and great for traveling. And it comes with 2 batteries and a case. However, the guards for the blades seem a bit small. The DEERC drone is great for clear and high altitude photos or videos and is very fun to fly. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.